We will see in this class how to trim and extend entities to facilitate the development and finishing of the project. Open the available file and let's go to our studies. The trim and extend editing commands, which trim and extend objects, respectively, are located in the Modify panel of the Home tab. We'll start by dealing with the trim command, which trim entities. We activate the command and we must select the elements that will be used as cutting elements, that is, as a reference to trim the entities. We can select the desired elements and hit enter, or we can just hit enter to set all elements of the project to be sharp. In our case, we only hit enter, defining that all elements of the project are sharp, which makes it easy to apply the command. Now we can click on the elements to be trimmed, or use one of the application options of the command. In the fence option, we define an imaginary line that intercepts the elements that will be trimmed, see. In the crossing option, we define a selection area so that all elements contained in the selection area that have been reached by the edges of the selection will be trimmed. The erase option deletes the selected objects left in the application of the trim command and does not need to exit this command to activate the delete command. The other options are intended for application in 3D projects, not applying to our course. Let us now study the extension command, extend, accessed by clicking the arrow next to the command trim. Activate the command, we must select the elements that will be used as a reference and, in our case, click on the two lines shown and confirm by pressing enter. Now we click on these two lines to extend them to the selected limits. Here we have the same application options described in the trim command, except for the erase option, so test them to master the use of this command. And so we conclude this lesson, where we learn to trim and extend elements, resources that assist in the development of the project in AutoCAD.